Gaming chairs or office chairs have always been an essential furniture for every work from home or even just a standard productivity room. It gives you a ton of comfort benefits that could ease up body straining and enhance your productivity. But gaming chairs have been called out for its discomfortability and its overall longevity, so a lot has preferred getting a mesh office chairs instead. So I have here one of the cheapest mesh chairs you could get in Lazada. Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen and this is the unboxing of the OJK Mesh Computer Chair. So I bought this from Lazada for only 2,455 pesos using the 5,000 voucher that I got from Lazada Shake It. So technically, again, hindi ko na naman binayaran ang item na to. Got it for only 2 days after checking it out. Shipping fee on this chair is surprisingly low comparing to other mesh chairs in Lazada. So if you want to get this office chair for your own, I'll be leaving the links down the description. Now in Lazada, there are different kinds of mesh chairs that you can choose from. There's this chair where there's no back and head support, which is the cheapest one. The one where there is back and head support, but it's all mesh. One with a little gaming aesthetic, and the one that I have, which has back and head support, has these 2 head and back pillows and a footrest. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys my unboxing, assembling, and first impressions of this OJK Mesh Computer Chair. But if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be astonishing. Right off the bat, here is the package. Let's take off the bubble wrap and see what's inside. Here is the backrest, the seat cushion with footrest, the T-shaped lever, 2 pillow supports, armrests, the 5-star foot, adjustment tray, the headrest, air pole, wheels, knob, screws, and the manual. Now that we've taken out all of the items on the box, it's time to assemble the chair. First off, insert the wheels to the 5-star foot, attach the air pole to the 5-star foot. Next, screw in the adjustment tray to the seat cushion and attach it to the air pole. Next is install the T-shaped lever to the backrest, insert it directly to the adjustment tray, and tighten the knob. Next is install the 2 armrests to the chair, then insert the headrest and tighten it with the knob. And lastly, tie the 2 pillows on the backrest, and that's about it for the unboxing and assembling of the OJK Mesh Computer Chair. Now that we're done assembling the chair, here's my first impressions. Let's start off with the issues I encountered. On my first sitting, it was a little wobbly. I usually set office chairs to their highest setting because I'm a pretty tall guy. And when I do it to this chair, the sit gets unbalanced when you put your weight to a single side. It's a little annoying, but a simple dial down of height would fix this issue. Another thing is that at my height, surprisingly, I'm not able to utilize the head support when reclining the chair. I always lean on the head pillow rather than the headrest because of how I sit on this chair. Even if the chair is on a right angle, the head pillow is too thick, so you won't really rely on the headrest. The armrest tends to loosen up when further used. I constantly have to screw the bolts in after getting it used for a few days. As far as the reclining goes, it is pretty rough and loud. I can't seem to know why it's like that. I don't know if the T support is just a bit cramped because of how tight you turn the knob. I tried loosening it, but it still was pretty loud. I get jumpy na tuloy whenever I try to recline the chair. It feels like nasisira siya, and di ko alam baka nga nasisira na talaga siya, but I hope to get a fix of it eventually. The wheels are a bit stiff then as well. It's not really that smooth when you move the chair around, and it's a lot more hard to move when you're sitting on it. Now that's all been said, it's time to talk about what I like in this chair. This mesh computer chair can hold up to 150 kilograms. I'm currently over 90 kilos, so this can probably take me even on a long periods of sitting. So it won't be hassle for the chair to sit on it for long periods of time. The mesh material is breathable and comfortable. It's not too soft and not too hard. It's on the right amount of plush you need for a chair. It has a thickened cushion that is full, stylish, and rebounds comfort. It is high density and highly elastic that potentially reduces pressure on sitting. So hindi talaga nakakangalay na nakaupo ka lang dito. And its backrest imitates the curve of the human hips, so it would really be comfortable for your back. Plus, it has these 2 neck and back pillows and a neat retractable footrest that really adds comfort for the way you're sitting on the chair. Although this type of material catches a lot of sweat and smell coming from the one who's sitting on it, but I guess lahat naman ng klase ng material ay nakakapitan talaga ng amoy ng uupo sa kanila. As far as its Ergonomics go, it can pretty much do what any office chair can. It has a 360 swivel motion, which is pretty smooth when you turn it. No hassle on that department. The reclining motion is pretty rough when doing, but it can go up to 150 degrees, and you can increase the chair's height reaching up to 120 centimeters. Its maximum dimensions are 64 by 49 by 120, standard sizing for an office chair, and it will easily fit right even to a small room. Overall, the OJK Mesh Computer Chair is an affordable office chair that would really help you be more productive on your workspace, but with a few hiccups. It's breathable, comfortable, and with a few usages, you'll eventually get a workaround with its issues. And that's about it for the unboxing of the OJK's Mesh Computer Chair. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this office chair. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun lang guys. At ayun guys, oh my god, grabe, sobrang stressful mag-video ngayon. Ay, sa wakas, nakatapos ulit tayo ng bagong video for about like I guess nag-upload ako ng YouTube Shorts for about a week ago, and well, yung talagang standard video ko, it over 4 weeks na din. So, ayun, I hope guys maging consistent na tayo sa uploads natin. At ito nga, medyo nagkakaroon lang tayo ng stumbles, pero patuloy pa rin tayo sa pagtuloy. At ayun, pasensya na talaga guys kung sobrang delay ko kung mag-upload ng video. And I hope tangkilikin nyo pa rin kahit na ganun ka-late na yung pag-upload natin. I hope kapag every bagong uploads ko papanoorin nyo pa rin, like, share, and subscribe pa rin kayo. Yun lang guys, stay safe, keep grinding, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!